everyone, this is Joyce Whitman with StampinScrapper.com. I have a great project to share with you today on my first Fall Friday of 2020. For today, in the next 7 weeks, every Friday, I'm going to bring you a different project that has to do with the fall. It could be Halloween, it could be fall, and it could be cards, maybe treat holders like this one, or it could be a scrapbook page, or maybe a home decor, treat holders. I don't know. I haven't really decided them all yet. But this one is fun because guess what? I have never made this before. This is called an impossible box. What is an impossible box? Well, some people say it's impossible to make it. I don't think so. It's actually quite easy. So I'm going to quick show you what it is. I used this on here, the Gilded Autumn Designer Series paper from the Holiday Catalog. And we have our little leaf punches and acorn punch. And I can't remember the name of them, but if you look on my blog, it is listed there. And then I used the sentiment, a little treat for someone sweet. And that came from our Little Treats cling set that is also in the Holiday Catalog. So what makes this an impossible box? Well, you look at it and it's cute and it has a lid. You think the lid comes right off, don't you? But guess what? It doesn't. It's attached. So you take it and you pull it up and voila, it's attached. And if you look inside when you pull it up, you could put treats in there. And of course, I'm going to put chocolates. Hello, yum. Maybe I could find some pumpkin spice caramel chocolates. Yeah. Yum, yum. So this is what an impossible box. And then you just close it up and it's all attached. You're not going to lose the lid. And it's just fun to play with. Just to lift it up. And so this is what is my project for this week. Now, I'm going to be coming back every week, like I said, from now until October 30th on the Fridays. And my series is called Fall Fridays. And I will be making different projects, maybe for Halloween, maybe for just fall time. I'm going to do some cards, some treat holders, maybe some home decor. I'm not quite sure yet to see what I'm going to make. But come back every week and check it out at StampinScrapper.com. Thanks for joining and have a great day. And there you go. Bye-bye.